pre-market summary for Indian stock market. Singapore Stock Exchange Nifty 50 Index futures indicate a 368-point drop at the opening bell. Asian stocks are lower on Monday as the risk of aggressive US rate hikes grows. China's industrial firms' July profits fell. Profits at China's industrial firms fell 1.1% in January to July from a year earlier, wiping out the 1% growth in the first 6 months. US stocks fell sharply Friday after Fed Chair Jerome Powell said the central bank won't back off in its fight against inflation. Fed Chairman Jerome Powell said higher interest rates will cause some pain to the US economy. The Fed's September decision will depend on incoming data and the outlook, he said. Friday's key domestic indices posted small gains. S&P, BSE Sensex rose 59.15 points, 0.10%, to 58,833.87. The Nifty 50 rose 36.45 points, 0.21%, to 17,558.90. Foreign portfolio investors, FPIs, sold shares worth 51.12 crore on August 26, while domestic institutional investors net bought 453.59 crore. Follow us, information is wealth.